So let's talk about the core offers. Okay. This is the model that you can consider. It doesn't have to be the only model. You can do professional services and SaaS together if you want, but figure out what's going to work in your industry. Two things. There is a significant difference between an intro offer versus your core offer, right? Intro offer is going to constantly change as you do marketing and sales for your industry, right? But your core offer is really your internal offer that you know you want to get them into based on your acquisition cost, right? So typically, this is what I recommend. You can do a free trial if you want. I'm not excited about a free trial, just so you know, because most small business owners are not techie enough to go through a free trial and adopt anyway. So free doesn't work that well, but you can do, business sessions. Here are the offers that I had planned for you guys. So one thing that I recently saw was from an agency. I don't want to name who is who, but so you guys don't hack through their system, right? But one thing I can tell you is I saw an agency run ads for SaaS that said, hey, we're shutting down, we're giving away our Facebook ads, Google ads, our SEO strategies, websites, and funnels. We're shutting down our business. Only thing we're going to do is charge you $297 a month. We'll give you everything that we built and proven, and you can manage all your leads in our system. $297 a month. Here's our self-managed system, right? I thought it was brilliant. Another one I saw for the education world, so these are folks that are working with coaches, educators, speakers, and stuff like that, was, hey, I will handle your monthly newsletter for you. Right? It's going to cost you $200 a month for me to handle all your newsletter. I'll make sure your audience is activated. And only thing is you need to manage all the responses in my software. That is $297 a month, right? Third one is a lifetime access one. Here's a lifetime access to XYZ. And all you give them is the dashboard. Here's the financial condition of your business. That's all they get. But when they want more, you move them into the 297 or whatever, right? And there's a few more in here that I want to talk about. But ultimately, what you want to do is have intro offers that are dynamic, and it's going to be changing like every quarter, right? And then you have your core offer that that's your acquisition cost. So if you're running paid ads and all of that, that's what it is. And then you want to be able to upsell them into professional services. At the same time, you as an agency now with SaaS don't have to rely on the professional services for your business. Your SaaS revenue will climb up and give you that healthy book of business over time, right? So here are the offers. Here's the pricing model that I recommend. You have a downsell offer as well. And the next thing I want to talk about is setting the expectations, right? Don't overload your clients with features. Features are not the answer to bringing them more business. Features are for you as the agency. Like, features are for you to be able to deliver what you want to deliver. At the end of the day, they just want more people in the door, right? They just want more phone calls. So more features are not the answer. Now, the second thing about setting expectations I want to share is there a disconnect between sales and business development and your account managers and project managers, right? Is there a gap? Are you customizing too much? And then account managers are driving themselves crazy, trying to fulfill all this random stuff you promised, right? So you want to be careful of that disconnect, right? And then ultimately, the first 10 days in a SaaS is everything. Everything. If you can get them to stick on with you for at least 10 to 15 days, you're in the green. You're going to be in the green of really bridging them across, helping them adopt. You want them to actually start using these things right out of the gate. But that's it for me as far as the first part of this.